Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a clean and simple Instagram post using Canva. We can start by creating a new Canva project. So on your Canva dashboard, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Instagram. In this Instagram post, we will be using this square format. It's a standard 1080 by 1080. It works for feeds and carousels and safe beginner-friendly format. Okay, in the templates panel, this is where Canva gives us preset designs. So search for any template based on the theme of your post. For this tutorial, let's say the theme of our post is pets. Look for a template that you want to use. Let's say we want to use this one. Inside the Canva editor, you can go ahead and revise all of the design, such as the text, the elements, the spacing, the colors, and many more. So let's say we want to change the text here. So as you can see now, we have changed the headline. Basically, you can edit or remove any unnecessary elements. Let's say I want to remove this one or add some more elements. You can just go ahead and open the element tab. Let's say I want to add this face of the dog. Resize it. And there we go. You can continue adding elements or small graphics that is relating to the theme of your post. Since we're using a free template, put at least 1 to 2 decorated icons to keep the design interesting. As an optional advice, if you want unique visuals, Canva also has an AI image generator in the Magic Media section. Just go ahead and type your prompt, what image would you like to generate, and etc. For now, I'm sticking with the free options. And the last step, if you want an Instagram carousel, you can go ahead and duplicate this current page, remove some of the elements, as you can see here, I've replaced some of the elements. Just as long as you stay consistent, for example, choosing the same color or the background color of our first page, the same font style, and same font color. And once we're happy with the design of our Instagram content, we can export our final product. So go ahead and click share, click download, and choose JPG. JPG is perfect for Instagram because of their higher quality. And make sure to select all pages if you finally want to download the final product. JPG is usually lighter and uploads faster while still looking clear on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.